company makes a complex product that is also technically advanced, durable, high-grade and elegant, then that attracts attention. When a company also links these qualities to customization, sense of detail and thorough efficiency, it distinguishes itself and makes itself unique. Welcome to the world of Van Hool. Van Hool has divisions in Belgium and Macedonia. It's known as the market leader in Belgium and an innovator in Europe. Van Hool exports its quality products all over the world and enjoys international recognition. Van Hool develops, amongst others, coaches and buses for the North American market. Over 7,500 buses and coaches have already been delivered through the 7 branches of ABC companies, in which Van Hool has a 35% stake. And the counter continues to rise, because every week Van Hool ships many brand new vehicles from Zeebrugge. Van Hool owes this pioneering mantle on the world market to its sense of innovation and the forceful philosophy of vertical integration. That's why Van Hool is widely known as a quality brand. From this impressive state-of-the-art production site in Leer in Belgium, more than 4,000 employees build coaches and buses and industrial vehicles of the future. A reputation based on a long and successful past.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Godelieve, a truly splendid coachwork custom built by bus manufacturer Van Hool & Sons, available with an interior and colour as desired. Whatever chassis you choose, Van Hool builds up the coachwork to suit your needs. Indeed, Van Hool considers quality of paramount importance. Building is my life. Building further is your task. The way is forward.
More than 60 years later, the same slogan still applies at Van Hool, based on the same historic corporate values, the pursuit of construction standardization, innovation and professionalism. This has resulted in the TX. The latest technologies in the field of safety, ecology, reliability and comfort are to be found behind its eye-catching and stylish design. Van Hool is always a unique high-quality product, developed in its own research and design department, the beating heart of the company. In close consultation with the production departments, the experts at Van Hool design and test the vehicles of tomorrow. They are revolutionary in developing new environmentally friendly drive technology. In addition, Van Hool constantly upgrades and modernizes its machinery. Right from the design stage, the engineers link the optimum construction standardization to a well-thought-out industrial flexibility. It enables Van Hool to deliver both large series as well as really custom-made products, adapted to the customer's wishes and needs and to the specific and complex legislation of the country of destination. In order to also allow the possibility for small series and custom-built products, the production process is vertically integrated with maximum automation. Many components are produced and built up modularly in-house, in combination with maximum outsourcing wherever possible. The production process is therefore an example of highly organized efficiency, which manages more than anything else to draw advantage from the many years of experience and expertise. Aided by the most modern machinery, highly skilled professionals assemble with the utmost precision the first profiles right up to a finished chassis. Once the chassis is built and the engine and suspension are assembled, the bus acquires its shape in the so-called assembly jig, where the different components come together to constitute a harmonious marriage. A stage later, the design of the bus also comes to life in the plate mill. Next, the bus is expertly painted in large paint booths, after which it's ready for the finishing department. In its own joinery department, the luggage racks and kitchen are manufactured, among other things, while the specialists from the seat department are responsible for customized sitting comfort. Even the production of synthetic shapes, such as bumpers or finishing elements, is done in-house. These elements come together in the right sequence on the main assembly line. One by one, they're assembled with great care and an eye for detail. It's here where Van Hool's vertical integration and philosophy of sustained and controlled quality becomes clear once again. Finally, a thorough technical inspection with the latest techniques leaves nothing to chance. The bus is now ready for the finishing touch and receives an appropriate lettering. The digital printing department is again a pure Van Hool product. And then, when all this experience and know-how merges into a finished end product, it becomes a bus, a Van Hool bus. And that makes the difference. A Van Hool makes no compromises, and what's more, is geared to a constantly changing society. Whether it concerns comfort, driving pleasure, safety or sustainable use of energy, Van Hool has close control. Moreover, it determines the trends and reflects on intelligent solutions for both integrated vehicles and body-on chassis. It's built, among other things, unique concepts such as the fuel cell bus, the electric trolley bus, the deluxe public transport bus and the diesel-electric hybrid bus. Pioneering concepts which are valued around the world. Van Hool is not only renowned for its bus concepts with high added value. In Skopje, Macedonia, Van Hool's experts have joined all their knowledge and experience to create an extremely inventive production process, combining quality and cost efficiency in order to meet the growing demand for reliable, contemporary coaches with a high level of finish. The principle of lean manufacturing is applied in extreme detail to the construction of standardized coaches. Order pickers supply 4 parallel production lines in a seamless production flow. In every step of the production process, well-trained technicians install thousands of parts in the meticulously built coaches. This sophisticated production method can only be achieved thanks to hundreds of local skilled technicians. Like the parent company in Belgium, they deliver vehicles which meet the highest quality standards. It's the result of shared experience, know-how and dedicated effort. The coaches that are built here every day are for the European and American markets. They're all comfortable and modern vehicles. Their sleek interior and exterior reflect their characteristics: functional, efficient and reliable. With Van Hool Macedonia, Van Hool is also diversifying and opening doors to new market sectors and opportunities. However, Van Hool builds far more than coaches and buses.
Ladies and gentlemen, Van Hool & Sons presents this beautiful lorry with 2-axle gooseneck and insulated tank. Once again built according to the wishes and needs of its clients and using the latest technologies. For reliable transport vehicles, you need to be at Van Hool. Building is my life. Building further is your task. The way is forward.
Van Hool enjoys a strong reputation as a bus manufacturer, but the industrial vehicles department is just as impressive. The manufacturers of industrial vehicles work with the latest new precision machinery. Welding robots, but also manually custom-made products provide a flawless finish down to the last detail. In the production halls, Van Hool's specialists produce a very wide range of trailers, container chassis, box lorries, tank trailers and tank containers, in all possible variations and suited to the customer's specific requirements. Deriving the maximum benefit from this flexibility in combination with large production runs. That is Van Hool. Meticulous quality control guarantees in particular detailed quality that meets the required standards and legislation. custom-made products in small and large production runs is one of Van Hool's assets. But Van Hool delivers top-level products too when it comes to extreme specialization. Van Hool has a specialized gas department where gas tank containers and gas tank trailers are built. Van Hool is one of the undisputed market leaders in the field of gas tank containers. The higher the degree of required expertise, the more Van Hool presents itself as the provider of reliability, safety and durability. This is not coincidental, as it concerns pure specialized work from A to Z. And when the industrial vehicles and the buses start their careers, Van Hool continues to follow them both nationally and internationally through an international service network. Together with its customers, Van Hool ensures that the high-quality features of their rolling stock are optimally retained. Preventive maintenance and, if necessary, repairs to their original quality belong to the service label of every Van Hool. Van Hool has a long industrial past and is today more than ever at the height of its capacity. The result of constantly looking ahead and anticipating on a continually changing market. That is the world of Van Hool.